Hey guys, if you didn't already know, YouTube is rolling out a new feature called YouTube Clips. Now, if you don't know what this is, it's kind of like Twitch Clips, where you can clip parts of a video and you can send it with a link. This feature still isn't beta, or as YouTube calls it, limited alpha, so it won't be on every single channel. So with that out of the way, let's start the video. If this works for you, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Then open YouTube and then find a video which has the clips option. Dream's channel has the clips option, so I'm just going to use one of his videos and clip one of them. So it'll show up over here, it'll just say clip, and then once you're over here, you'll be able to put a title, and you can change the duration of the clip. Right now it's at 15 seconds, but the least you can go is 5 seconds, and the most you can go is 60 seconds. Now after you figure out how long you want it, then you can make a title at the top. I'm just going to put Dream because that's his channel name, and then click on Share Clip. Now the clip you have created can be shared with anyone you want to, so you can just copy it as a link and then you can send it to anyone with any text messaging app. I'm just going to use Discord for example. Just tap on message and then copy paste the link. Then click send. And now it will show up with the title name. I put Dream. You can put it as whatever you want as I showed you before. And it also shows up with the scissors, which means it's a clip. So whenever you click on it, it will redirect you to YouTube and then it'll pull up a little interface. So to test that, I'm going to click it, and then it'll load the clip. If you clipped from a smaller video, you'll see that the red part of the timeline will be the part you clipped, and the gray part of the timeline is just the other part of the video. Now at the top you can see Dream, in the middle is the video, and then under that is the channel name. And then you can see watch full video or share clip. If you scroll through the timeline, you'll be able to exit the clip and you'll open up the full video. If you click on the little eye, you will see more information about clips and what they are. And if you click on the 3 dots, you'll be able to delete it, but I'm not going to do that just yet. I'm just going to swipe down and then go to my library. You'll be able to see all of your clips. It'll say your clips. And then I'll see my one clip over here. It says Dream. And it'll show me the amount of views and stuff like that. And you can delete it from here too if you want. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. YouTube is still testing this feature and it might be some time until every single YouTube channel has this option, so just be patient. Follow my Instagram and Twitter and check out the community tab on my YouTube channel for polls and updates. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video. If this video was useful, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button with the bell so you never miss another video like this.